UST defeating UP in straight sets. More importantly, they tie Adamson and FEU in the team standings for a three-way tie in the third spot behind LaSalle and Ateneo. And a big reason for their victory this afternoon is Mike Ortiz. She's sitting at courtside with Trishka Echeverri.
Yes, beside me is our player of the game with 15 points, 13 attacks, and 2 serves. Mike Ortiz. Micah, congratulations. Today's win was definitely a team effort. Bakit maganda yung teamwork na pinakita ninyo?
Nagkaroon po kami ng goal settings. Nung past game po namin, talagang nawala po yung goal setting namin. So, nung nakaraan, gumawa po kami ng parang refreshment. Nag-usap-usap po kami, ganyan-ganyan. Ayun po.
In your next game, kalaban niyo yung Lady Spikers and they're still unbeaten. Based on this game, ano pang kailangan niyo ma-improve?
Number 1 na wala po sa amin is blocking. So, we should improve our blockings and more defense. Ayun po.
Alright, I'm sure there are a lot of people you'd like to thank or say hi.
Hello po pala sa mama ko. Malapit na po siya mag-birthday. Happy birthday, ma. Tsaka sa pamilya ko po and pamilya po ng teammates ko. Hello po, teammates. At tsaka Kuya Mark, hello. Kuya Mark, Dalit, hello po. Ayun.
Alright. Okay na.
Okay na po.
Thank you very much, Mike, and congratulations. Once again, our player of the game, Micah Ortiz. Back to you, Antonio Diaz.
Thank you, Trishka. A very happy Micah Ortiz, and why not? Excellent performance for her this afternoon.
That's right. Right from the get-go, she was getting all the sets, delivering the points up to the very end. Those running spikes, very, very effective for Micah. Not only the best player, but also the best dancer.
And we will take a look at one of her best plays of the afternoon. Our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment on Sports House red carpet deal.
Yun, back quick running plays for Mike Ortiz, this time with a single block coverage. There you go, right into the middle, the heart of the defense of UP.
UST looks to carry this momentum into Sunday's matchup against De La Salle University. But right now, Ateneo going up against UST in our second game. Your thoughts on that game before we say goodbye?
Again, one of those games that Ateneo cannot take for granted. You know, the UST almost falling to that trap to start off this match, and Ateneo still has to get those wins, especially now na tatlo na ang naghahabol sa kanila.
So stick around for that one. Bozy Ravena and Boom Gonzalez will join you for Ateneo and UE. But for the first game, on behalf of everybody from ABS-CBN Sports, our director Al Neri, Victor Lopez, and Trishka Echeverri, my partner Doc Ian Laurel, I'm Anton Ross saying stick around because more UAAP women's volleyball action is about to come your way. Keep it right here on Studio 23.